2005 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo, 53,000 original miles, fog lights, alloy wheels, leather, heated seats. Tires are brand new. Not a door ding on this vehicle. Absolutely in amazing condition, four-wheel drive. Back seats still have the cargo cover, front license plate cover. Needs nothing mechanically or cosmetically. Yes, this is a 2005 Jeep 4x4 with 53,000 original miles. No rust. Leather seats are like new, power seats, original floor mats, power windows, locks, and mirrors, four-wheel drive, $53,782 miles at the time of the video. Rear seats. (2005) Jeep Grand Cherokee 4x4, 53,000 original miles, like new.